Welcome to our video. Today, we will talk about the email marketing essentials. Email marketing is a form of marketing that can make the customers on your email list aware of new products, discounts, and other services. Soft sales can help you communicate your brand's values to your audience, keeping them interested until they buy. Anything in between is fine. If you want to grow your brand or sell your products, email marketing is one of the most popular and effective tools for your marketing campaign. This article explains how email marketing and promotional emails can help you grow your business, and provide some tips for running a successful email marketing campaign. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a powerful marketing channel that uses email to promote a company's products and services, and is a form of direct marketing and digital marketing. By integrating it into your marketing automation efforts, you can keep your customers informed of the latest items and offers. They can also play an important role in your marketing strategy regarding lead generation, brand awareness, relationship building, and customer retention between purchases through different types of marketing emails. Benefits of email marketing. One of the reasons email has become such a popular marketing tool for businesses is that it prompts users to take action. Emails remain in your inbox until they are read, deleted, or archived. Email marketing is a great way to build relationships with your audience and increase visibility on social media or other sites. Why use email marketing? You can also segment your emails and target users based on demographics, so you can send only the messages they most want to see. Email marketing can also be used to A/B test subject lines and calls to action to determine which messages are most effective, using email marketing software that can be easily configured to send emails. Disadvantages of email marketing. Although email marketing seems like a great way to reach customers, develop new prospects, and build important business relationships, it does have some drawbacks. Many companies choose to use EZ texting as another form of communication. Here are some of the major drawbacks of email marketing campaigns. Spam. It looks like your inbox is full of worthless information. Lose £25 in 2 weeks. Click here for a huge discount. Everyone gets them and immediately clicks delete. What's more, many of these emails end up in your spam folder and you never even see them. Unless spam filters are actively avoided, these messages are often just a waste of time for the sending company. Size. If the email is too large, it may take a long time to load or may not load at all. By the time it takes to download, potential customers lose interest in the cost of your business. Competition. Drawbacks aside, email marketing is a common form of marketing, so your emails aren't the only ones flooding people's inboxes. This means that to stand out from your competitors, you need to invest in strong copywriting or offer additional promotions to grab your audience's attention. Remember, even with spam filters and competition, effective email marketing is all about building relationships and offering value. Focus on quality content, targeted audiences, and clear calls to action to make your emails stand out. Don't be the lose £25 in 2 weeks guy of email marketing. Use your emails to build trust, not spam folders. Email marketing, it's not dead, it's just evolved. Embrace the power of personalization and targeted campaigns to win over your audience.